Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing ROBLOX jailbreak. It's actually okay. There. Wait, trying to kill me. Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to another video. And today we are going to be playing jailbreak. As I just said, please subscribe and leave likes for my video videos. Well, no, not video, but to show you how to do glitches. There's literally one glitch with the bank, and I was on the first Saturday, but couldn't. Oi! Eh! We glitched through it. They're all after me, and I haven't been caught yet. That's pretty cool. Oh, and turn off the notification bell so you can be aware of every video I upload. Okay, I'm arrested. Let's just quickly go. Please. It should hopefully work. Please work. And it's open. And then it closes. It's always. See, told you. Always a cool way to work your way out. Seconds. 3 seconds. 1 second. Prisoner. I'm near the yard now. Come on, why is this always... I need a question, mate! Why the hell? I suppose. So, beware that you might get arrested. Afterwards. Okay. Let's run. We can't get the SWAT man out. My theory is, if Robin load of wall over there, there's work. So let's go to switch teams, police. We just want to move the SWAT man. We don't want to. I can put me in jail. I'll put me here. We just want to move the SWAT van. That's all we want to do. You can't get the SWAT stuff if you haven't got to that. You could. Is that guy just standing still? Okay, lock it. Stop touching him. Okay. So that's what we want to do. That's another glitch way. It's rather hard to sometimes glitch, they still sometimes want criminals to know their help with a gun. Who crashes him? Let's see what happens. Should we dig? Okay, down, 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 down. I'll glitch it. Come on. No, sometimes you hook them on. You hook two helicopters together. So I go down, and I go, no! Move! Donut store, donut store, donut store. Over there. Let's see it go. Space! No! Missed his car by like a millimetre. No. Jonathan. Okay. Turn into come on, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Ah, there we are. Fly, 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 fly! Away! We've escaped! There's a Nick. With nothing. With absolute nothing. Not even a slot. No.
You go to yourself some breakfast. You can have eggy bread. Yes?
Okay.
The eggs are already whisked up. Okay. I'll study to help you cook the bread.
Okay.
Okay? And I'll see you later.
Bye. I'm sorry about that. Okay, we can quickly have a go at this because there's a glitch that's in the bank with the new. See? And then you walk in. No! Close to me. Okay, so C, and then you press F, 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 F. C, walk forwards. No! It closed me again. Okay, you can finish to do that. C, F, C. Okay, now. Yeah. Oh. Okay, you might need a key card that I don't think that the bank robbery started. No, okay, the bank robbery hadn't started, but that's the glitch. So you need to get the bank robbery to start, so wait for someone in there. That would work, I'm saying. That's 100%. Right, okay. Bye everyone, and make sure you leave a like. This is part 2 by the way, so I'll put it up. I'm going to put it up now, like, literally, when I've just made it. And I'll see you later, bye! Oh, and subscribe and leave a like.